In 20 years of selling online, this is how many returns. That was it. Once. Okay. You will always make more sales if you say money back guarantee. The main thing I would do though is just you don't pay their return shipping.
Right.
They have to pay to return the shipping. It's a great risk to take because remember, buyers are afraid of making a mistake. That's the main reason that holds them back from buying. Just think about when you decided to invest in this program. The biggest obstacle people have is they don't want to feel foolish. They don't want to make a mistake. And if you remove that risk for them and say, but you can put a time limit on it because you don't want someone a year from now, they spill coffee on it and now they're sending it back. Right. So I would say 30 days, 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked.
Okay.
And let's make it easy. And it probably won't even happen. So it's like my mother-in-law used to say, we spend our whole lives worrying about things that never happen.